Today we're starting with a little Tahoe that has a set of Tiz off-road wheels that are 14 inches wide. This is the first set of Tiz off-road wheels that have been in this shop. He's got 305, 55, 20s. They're going to be a nightmare on the tire machine, I'm sure. We've actually never done a set that big. But hey, I love wheels and tires, so we'll give it a go. Nice clean little Tahoe. All right, let's get busy. So we are here at Sandy's Collision, where Mr. White's about to paint a Chevelle. This is what it looks like when the shop is closed, because it's a holiday today. It's Remembrance Day. Look at that. This is a front end to a brand new Nissan Sentra, and it literally has no structure to it at all until you put all the parts in. So there it is. 71 Chevelle. It's about to get hit with sealer. And then it's going a bright silver. I love this part. It's my favorite part. And I know I say it every time. It never gets old. So we'll just sit back and watch Mr. White go. These are the infrared heaters I was telling you guys about in one of the last videos. Those are pretty cool. Looking forward to this one. Look at that. A silver Chevelle. I didn't film the whole process because when you're doing sealer and silver, they don't look a lot different when you're spraying it. Once you add the clear, then things get exciting. 71 Chevelle. My dad's dream car is a 72 Chevelle. It's close enough. So, I'm gonna drag this thing out now and load it on the trailer. And unfortunately, we have to load it on the flat deck because that's the only one I have a winch working right now. And drive across town in the snow. So we're gonna have to be extra careful. Go nice and slow, but we don't have to go far. What do you think? Pretty, hey? All right, I better get the trailer. Holy, that's bright. Well, there you go. Next, it's getting black stripes. Maybe we'll get to see it when it's done, but who knows? Never know on these things. I'm just happy I got to film it. Loads of metal flake in it. Not metal flake, metallic. Put them all back in the shop. So I'm up to no good right now. I'm making a change in the build plans, like I always do. But I have to make this change so we can proceed. So let's go open the sea can up and drag it out. Well, we're loading the 49 Chevy up. Hopefully the winch will work. It's been cold. I think the battery's low, but we'll see. 49 Chevy's got to go to the shop today. So far, so good. So far, it's working. Got a flat tire though. And we are loaded. Off to the shop we go. So here we are. The 49 Chevy is in the shop because my wife's ready to put it up for sale. Times are tough right now, and she's making a decision to let this thing go even though she doesn't want to. She has a cookie dough business that she's launching right now, and she feels that's the better move. Sell this thing to get the business rolling. So I'm unpacking all the new parts to see what we got. I'm going to do a separate video on this thing because it is going up for sale properly today, and I'll do a full rundown on it. There's just an obscene amount of money spent on this truck, and it makes me very sad to see her let go of her dream truck. We have a ton of vehicles up for sale. It seems nothing seems to be moving at the moment. I have way too much money into way too many vehicles. So there'll be a video coming out right after this of that thing. The 77 F-150 is waiting on parts for the lift kit. We just got the bushings for it, and we're sorting out rotors. We keep getting the wrong rotors for this thing. And then we can finish this lift kit and pull that thing out and get it running again and continue. So I just thought I'd give you guys a little update quickly on what I'm doing right now. So we got a couple more cool videos coming out after this. Lots of stuff going on, obviously, but we got to get some money rolling, so time to make some serious decisions.